Today, I stand before you to share the historical significance of my life and presidency. Join me on a journey through the defining moments that shaped my legacy. Firstly, I rise from humble beginnings, growing up in poverty and working hard to receive an education. My journey exemplifies the American dream and the potential for upward mobility in our great nation. Secondly, I had the honor of serving as the 13th President of the United States. During my presidency, I pursued policies of compromise and sought to maintain the delicate balance between North and South on the issue of slavery. Thirdly, I played a crucial role in the passage of the Compromise of 1850. This legislative package aimed to address the escalating tensions between free and slave states, preserving the Union and delaying the eruption of a full-scale conflict for a few more years. Fourthly, I prioritized foreign relations, opening trade with Japan through the Treaty of Kanagawa, which marked the beginning of diplomatic and economic ties between our two nations. Lastly, I supported the expansion of our nation's infrastructure, advocating for the construction of the Washington Monument and the enlargement of the U.S. Capitol, symbolizing our nation's growth and progress. As I reflect upon my life and the legacy I leave behind, I am grateful for the opportunities to serve this great nation. May my commitment to compromise, diplomacy, and progress inspire future generations to work towards a more perfect union. Let us remember the achievements of those who came before us and strive for a brighter future, built upon the ideals of unity, justice, and progress for all Americans.